Hello, gang. You ever get a faceplate problem? I got a faceplate problem, or did have. Okay. I realized that I had to reverse the faceplate and machine out the threads on the back a bit because when I got this all organized with this chuck here, where does it go? Over here. Once I start using it, I know the chuck and faceplate were off because it's backing up on the back part of it. So what I did do is turn that faceplate right around, screwed it on, and notice it screwed on a lot better the other way around. Then I machined out the threads, put it back on, and managed to get a lot of good tension and torque on it. Faced it off, and also facing it off in its new position, just slightly smaller than the back of the chuck. No problem. Slightly. So here we have a chuck, okay. Oh, I said, oh dear, what do we do now? So, poor jaw. I made an adapter, a miniature faceplate centering device here. On the other lathe, and it fits nice, press fit. Just gently tap it with a brass hammer. So we have that, which is perfect alignment, right? As well as then press fit the same in here. As you can see, I machined it out with that. So this goes here on your undersized faceplate. Nice tight fit. And put your forward jaw chuck over that. Screw it on and you're truly centered. And the screws and everything will keep everything very tight for you. So this part again goes in here. Gently tap it in, which I did do, both on the back of that chuck and in the spindle hole area. Slight taper, nice press fit, so it goes together really good. Now this is, well, work with a 3-jaw chuck, and it'll work fine with this 4-jaw chuck. So I machined that out of a chunk of metal. With Uncle Paul's jet lathe that I got running a year or more ago. It's over here, so lots of shavings. So tomorrow I clean up after I do something quickly. Bag of shavings, and every time I use the lathe I clean it up, every chip off, oil, treat it with respect. It'll treat it with respect like it did here. So I made a lot of good parts on Uncle Paul's inventor of 3 lathe. So that saves you a faceplate issue. Of course you could take the machine one, I suppose, thread it and all that stuff, but oh well. Just ideas for people that are stuck. Okay, here's another one I'll be doing tomorrow. Mounted on the same shaft as up there. This will be a flat belt pulley, so I stick it in the lathe and machine in 1-inch part there for that pulley there. This center ball takes 1-inch pulley diameter. So that should work fine. already machined all this on that lathe. That's when I started noticing that chuck was off center and the faceplate was off center because the threads were the faceplate didn't stay tight on the spindle nose. Something's wrong here, so I investigated more and more, and it's, oh yeah, okay, we'll machine that area out a little bit, and then this fits really cool, really tight. So then I had to reface it, and that's when I realized I made with all of that, I live about 16th undersized to the back of this. I didn't like that, so I made this adapter, which you can do too, in case you get stuck. I mean, come on. So I did that today, and tomorrow, as I said, I'm going to do a pulley. Well, I mean, it's fun doing it, right? I enjoy doing it. I learn a lot of things. Dang it, look at myself here. Learn, John, learn. Also did the same with another undersized or John Chuck, or a faceplate on this lathe. And that's true, totally true. So measure with a dial indicator and a test bar, and it runs perfect. So, problem solved. Always solve a problem. And we have over here engineering again, naval engineering, sending out radio waves on the VLF, ELF band, and hydrogen line, all within FCC rules and regulations. All right, so that being said, I'm going to go. We like to solve problems, Barbara. Not too long of a video, but somebody might find it useful. I don't know.